Hey everybody, doing a little review of the pads. I wanted to include this in my review because I had read some of the reviews and other people said these would be good for bladder control issues. There is a slight problem with that. While these are pretty grand for your period, there are a few flaws, but they're not really that bad. I still, would prefer these over pads any day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. This, I have 2 cups of water in here just to show you. And everybody knows, well, I've had kids, so if you have a bladder control leak, sometimes it can be a sudden burst or it can be slowly. So I'm going to do 2. One will show you the sudden as it splashes everywhere, or even if you're closer. Here, I'll show you on this one. It just runs right off. As you can tell on the towel, it's leaked around. But I do have to say that it does hold a lot of liquid. I'm going to try to get a little soaked in here so you can kind of see how much liquid they really do hold. I mean, now this is probably about 1/3 of a cup of liquid that's in here. Okay, it's not really leaking down, but when you squeeze on it, it will run out. But remember, water is a lot less thicker than period blood. It doesn't leak through the other side. It does not leak through at all, really.
No, it doesn't.
That's my husband. So that's the one thing with your period. It's a little bit thicker, more mucusy than water, like urine would be, is like water. So it really does hold period blood a lot better. And when you're, the only other issue, which I cannot demonstrate because I'm just not going to on video, is when you snap them on your underwear. The issue I had was it wasn't, if they had a snap up here and here as well, that probably would have been better because it kind of flops around like this. But other than that, I mean, like I said, I would still choose these over pads because the lining is super soft. Even have my husband tell you, Yeah,
that soft, feels like cotton.
It's really, really soft. It didn't bother me when I had them on. It was really, really great. I loved them when I was wearing them. The only issue, like I said, I had was they were a little loose. Not like the snaps, but just sitting on my underwear. I wear boy shorts, and so they would move around a little bit, but not too bad. So when you're done, if you're not near your home, what you can do is you can get a wet pouch, which is basically a little bag that'll hold in liquids. And you just go like this, fold it up, snap it, throw it in there. When you get done, you can either rinse it off in your sink and then throw it in the wash, or you can just throw it in your washer in a little garment bag. So that way it gets them clean and they don't get washed in the washer. I've thrown them in the washer without putting them in a garment bag, and they came out fine. I threw them in the washer in the garment bag. They came out fine either way. It's up to you how you want to go about this. But other than that, the design is so cute. They have several different ones. So that's why the only reason I gave it the 4 stars was because of the little issue of when you wear it, it just flops around a little bit, and that's the only reason I give it 4 stars. Other than that, it is an amazing product, and I will be using these every month from now on.